Yan. It is also indicated in the Section 2 of RA 7610 or the Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation, and Discrimination Act. So it is indicated there to intervene on behalf of the child when the parent, guardian, teacher, or person having care or custody of the child fails or is unable to protect the child against dun sa mga abuses. So nakalagay dyan na si state, pwede silang mag-take over. Pag yung parents ninyo, guardians or teacher has infringed your rights or kumbaga unable na sila to take care of themselves. That's why, di ba po, for example, yung DSWD, kinukuha kayo, they take you into custody if, for example, wala na kayong family or for example, inabuse yung bata ng father. So kung si mother niya is hindi din pinaglalaban, pinoprotektahan yung bata kasi naabuse siya ng papa, tapos mas love ni mama yung papa, ayaw niyang ipakulong, si DSWD, pwede siyang kunin yung bata, tapos siya yung magkakaso na lang at hindi na si parent. Kasi hindi din hinahayaan ng state na yung mga, syempre hindi naman kasi lahat ng adults would parang can take care of you. Some, because of circumstances, pwede din kasi may mga mental disabilities or physical disabilities yung parents, hindi na kayang pangalagaan yung bata. So, pwede din yun ibigay sa, or kunin ng custody